We really have to do something about the amount of technical debt in the world. Because what we all want is well-designed code that is easy to understand and change so we can deliver more sooner and improve the lives of the people using our software. I started this channel with a big ambition: increase software excellence in the world. And I've got some recurring themes for the videos I'm making, and a particularly important one is guided learning hours. Today, I'm going to explain the concept a little more and let you in on my plans for upcoming sessions. Hi, I'm Emily Bache. I'm a software developer and technical coach. Welcome to my channel. If you like what you see here, please subscribe and like the video. Crufty, difficult code that is expensive and slow to work on is all too familiar to many development teams. I've seen and suffered quite a lot of it too. I've worked in software development for over 25 years, and I spent a good deal of that time helping others to learn skills like test-driven development and safe refactoring. The materials on this channel are based on a lot of experience of what works. A guided learning hour is a bit like a normal video training course, teaching skills like test-driven development and refactoring through slides, demos, and exercises. But it's as interactive as I can make it. I'm using the best available brain-friendly teaching techniques to make it more fun and effective. Plus, I want you to get your whole team to do it with you, because learning is social. Knowledge has a context. Guided learning hours are modern, relevant, and shown to work for ordinary development teams. Based on my many years of experience, I provide these training materials so you can host these sessions with your team. I want it to be possible for you to be the hero, the change agent, the technical coach, at the same time as 95% continuing to do your normal developer job. Or if you're already a technical coach, I want to inspire you with new materials and ideas for your coaching. Saman Technical Coaching is a proven way to spread good programming practices. Guided learning hours started as an experiment to spread those same practices more widely. And now, after trying them out with many teams, I'm becoming confident that this works too. There's nothing stopping you from just going ahead and using the videos on this channel with your team. That's what I'm hoping you'll do. But there is also additional support available. If you join my Patreon, you can get hold of the activity boards I'm using, so you don't have to prepare your own. And through the Saman Technical Coaching Society, I run training courses for technical coaches, including one on Deliver Learning Hours. So far, I've done guided learning hours on themes like refactoring, test-driven development, test design, object-oriented design. My recent video on Sparrow decks was a bit of a teaser. It's introducing my next big theme, code reading. Expect new learning hours on that soon. I'm going to take a break now for the holidays, but there will be new content in the new year. What other topics are you hoping I'll cover? Let me know. Write a comment here or on social media. In the meantime, why don't you try out a guided learning hour from my playlist? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the new year.